me show you how to solve 3 by 3 matrix using this FS991ES calculator. First and first, you're just going to go to mode, press mode. For matrix, you press 6, and you're going to be shown option to assign at least up to 3 matrices. Let's use matrix 1 as an example. Press 1 to go to matrix 1. Next, you're asked to select what kind of matrix it is. Is it a 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 2 matrix, 3 by 1 matrix, and so on and so forth. So let's just select one, which is 3 by 3 matrix. The next thing is to enter the elements of the matrix, and how to do that is to simply press the number and then press equal sign to assign the number to the matrix. So for this one, I'll just use some random numbers. I'll use the first as 6. Press enter, it assigns it to it. You can see it here. Then I'll immediately press the next one. Let's use -3. Press equal to, see that. Press 0, enter. You can see. The next one, let me use -2. You can get your minus from here. Press 2, then you're in. You use 11 for example. Then 0, again. You can see, you simply press the number and press equal to sign. Let's use -3 again. -3. Let's do 0. Let's put 21. Now I've used equal to enter all my values. Now to save it, you press the AC button. To save, you press the AC button. So press the AC button to store that value to matrix A. Now if I want to perform any function on matrix A, I can do that by recalling that matrix. How do I do that? I go to shift 4, where you can see matrix on it, shift 4. Now I've been given different things that I can do. If I want to recall matrix A, I can simply press 3 and press equal to, it shows me the matrix are stored there. So now I can perform other options. If I go back to shift 4, I can do some matrices. You can see the option 7 where it says I can perform determinant, and option 8 says I can perform transpose. So how do I go about my determinants? Now to find determinant of matrix A, I press 7 and I'm asked to input the determinant of what exactly do I want to do. All I need to do is to go back to shift 4 in order to assign your matrix. So my matrix is in mat A, which is in option 3, and press 3. Then all I have to do is to close the brackets and press the equal to sign. And straight away I've put in the value for my determinant. If I also want to get the value for the transpose of this matrix, all I do is go back to the options and I select 8, which is for transpose. Now to inside the matrix, I do shift mat again. Now I can put my matrix this bracket and I can get the transpose of that matrix. I have to find this value. See you in the next one.